Hi, let's look at how to create a stock unit in Kitaabh. You can click on the plus icon here and under Inventory Masters, you can click on Stock Unit, or alternatively, you can go to Masters and under Inventory Masters, click on Stock Units. Now, Kitaabh gives you a predefined list of units of measurement. However, you still have an option to create units of measurement based on the requirement for your business. Here you have two options. One is called as simple and the other is compound. Simple is where there is no conversion needed for your stock units, and compounded is when you need a conversion for your stock units. Let's say I have a certain units and I get it in pairs, and for me one unit would be, let's say, 24 pieces because it's a pair of two. I'm creating as unit equals 24 pieces. So whenever I select the units of measurement to be unit, Kitaabh automatically picks it to be 24 pieces. I'm saving it here.